Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account health and then take rapid corrective steps. Check your email and phone verification, review recent community guideline notices, and ensure public visibility. Once done, pause posting for 48 to 72 hours and clear the app cache. Make sure the app is updated. Next, remove any recycled clips or reused music that could trigger automated downranking. You do this to reset behavior signals and avoid repeating the same patterns that led to reduced distribution. Now you rebuild trust with the algorithm by delivering clear, high-quality signals. Upload 3 to 5 new vertical videos over 1 week, each 10 to 60 seconds long, shot natively on your device. Use original audio or properly licensed sounds, craft concise captions, and add 3 to 5 precise tags that reflect the content. Meanwhile, actively engage, reply to messages, respond to comments, and share posts to stories and friends to create authentic engagement. These steps tell the system your content finish by monitoring performance and iterating. Track impressions, completion rate, and reach daily. If a format earns 0 impressions after 3 days, pause it and test alternatives. If suppression persists, escalate by contacting support, include specific video ID, upload timestamps, and a short account history explaining changes you made. Finally, stabilize a steady 7 to 14-day posting rhythm before introducing big format shifts so signals remain consistent. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing improves, switch devices and network to rule out IP or device-based blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.